Welcome to this exceptional opportunity for the last available lot in the coveted Skyline Ridge Estates. Encompassing 20 acres, it's an expansive property in a premier Northwest Portland location. Surrounded by high-end homes on sizable lots, this gated community offers a private setting for building your dream home. It's a neighborhood that supports multi-million-dollar homes, and EFU zoning allows for one single-family home. Here you can experience the serenity and harmony of living close to nature with easy access to city amenities. This exclusive community is just 20 minutes from downtown Portland, and it's home to great schools, including Skyline Elementary and Lincoln High School. It's also convenient to the high-tech corridor, including Nike and Intel, as well as nature parks and the Pumpkin Ridge Golf Club. Privacy, tranquility, and natural beauty. It's a rarely available opportunity ready for you to bring your vision to life. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.